What are you doing? Chaw, chicken, chaw, chicken, chaw, chicken, chaw.
You can land that way, this okay. Yoga, you go on that way, this okay. Boy, can you probably start the fuck with you for last city door, city nya, you can love when back.
The blowing, so pack a pool with a go. So pack a poi. Tobu, Madale, a grobu. Pay a dig panny law. Tobu, my plot, quezu, queploda. Dog, bu sico dog. A sapo copo. The city kilo or le muda. Tobu sobo to the panny law. The blowing. Pak pulukupo. O wait. The ga. Le heki le co medicani law. Papulukupo. A surfer me with Pagnolo, but sat there when you close the baba.
Hey, Dalo. What are you doing? I said, what are you doing? Oh no, let me see what you have here. This is chicken. Chicken, chaw, chicken, chaw, chicken. This is chicken. Chaw. Wait, okay. Hey, I'll explain this. The name of one of the chicken is chaw, and the chicken name in English is just chicken. Oh, Korean call it chaw. Oh, chicken. Okay. Yes. Mila. Oh, I will translate. He will show you everything that he has. Oh, thank you so much. Let's go. Okay, you the blue lily. I will translate again. He said that this is his duck, and he fed them a lot of times. Okay, this is beautiful duck. The total now was yellow. Tablet. Macam ni you do piano. Okay. I will translate again. He said, I'm going to show you more, okay? Okay. Let's go. I will translate again for you. He said, we're going to be there like in a minute. I'll translate for you again. He said, this is my goat, okay? Okay. I'll translate for you again. He said, if you still have time, then you can come to his house and eat with him. Oh, thank you very much. But I have to go, so I'll come next time. I had to keep the okay, had the blood. Tila. Me have what the blood is, Tila. I'll just listen to you again. He just said, he said, that's just fine. Oh, thank you, boy. I have to go now. Goodbye.